Hello everybody, this is Mark Hanover with Keller Williams Peace River Partners, and today I am coming to you from 19260 Midway Boulevard. Again, that's 19260 Midway Boulevard in Port Charlotte, Florida. I think you guys are going to really dig this house. It's a really cute split floor plan that I think you're going to dig. We are currently on the market as I film this at 24 days, listed at 195.5, built in 1988. And it is at 1,368 square feet. So just a little shy of 1,400 square feet, but that's okay. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home, and I think you guys are really gonna dig this. So let's go ahead and go on inside. As we enter the home, you'll see that this is a pretty open floor plan here. This is your main living area. You have your kitchen, and your master is back to the left here. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you the inside of the 2-car garage that I promised. And then I'm going to take you back to the 2 guest rooms as well as the guest bath. Here we have the guest bath. We have the first guest room. 2 closets, plenty of space. We have the second guest room, smaller of the 2. And then we'll come back out to the main living area. We'll take a look at the kitchen here. Very nicely laid out. In case you're wondering about size, these are 12 by 12 tiles. You have a small dining area as well as your lanai, which is screened in, obviously. And then we're going to go ahead and come into the master bedroom. Here we have the ensuite. As well as the shower. We have a pretty good size walk-in closet, to tell you the truth. And then we have access to the lanai from the master bedroom. So again, guys, this is 19260 Midway Boulevard in Port Charlotte, Florida. Again, my name is Mark Hanover. My phone number is 941-202-1995. Again, that's 941-202-1995. Or you could email me at markhanover@kw.com, markhanover@kw.com, or get a hold of me through your favorite social media. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.